In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America. First of all, launch Cash App. Start by installing Cash App on your smartphone. Search for the app in the Google Play Store and then sign up on Cash App. Enter your phone or email number to sign up in Cash App and then top up your Cash App account. And then tap Add Cash option. On the next screen, choose the Add Cash option. Enter your amount you want to top up to your account and tap Add. And then select Cash Out in the Banking tab. And then enter your amount. And then choose the deposit method. Select the deposit method or speed for the cash out on the next screen. Lastly, the app will ask you to verify the procedure through Touch ID or PIN to transfer money from the Cash App to your bank account. Wait up to 3 days for the payment to clear from the Cash App and the bank side. That's how you can transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America.